Hello everyone, welcome to Math Corner. In this video, we will discuss Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a sequence where its first two terms are 0 and 1, or both 1, and each term thereafter is obtained by adding the two preceding terms. The first two terms of Fibonacci sequence are 0 and 1. Let us determine the next few terms by adding the previous two. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. And the pattern continues. The first term of Fibonacci sequence is denoted by f sub 0. The second term is f sub 1. The third term is f sub 2. The fourth term is f sub 3. The fifth term is f sub 4, and the pattern continues. We have the first 8 terms of Fibonacci sequence. Let us determine the ninth term. To determine the ninth term, or f sub 8, we need to add f sub 7 and f sub 6. F sub 7 is equal to 13, and f sub 6 is equal to 8. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. What if we are looking for f sub n, or the nth term of Fibonacci sequence? We need to add f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2, where f sub n minus 1 is the previous term and f sub n minus 2 is the previous term. Fibonacci sequence comes from this problem. A newly born pair of rabbits, one male, one female, are put in a field. Rabbits are able to mate at the age of 1 month, so that at the end of its second month, a female can produce another pair of rabbits. Suppose that the rabbits never die, and that the female always produces one new breeding pair every month from the second month on. Fibonacci posed a puzzle: how many pairs will there be in 1 year? So we have newly born pair of rabbits in a field, and we have one pair of rabbits. At the end of the first month, they are able to mate. But still, we only have one pair of rabbits. At the end of the second month, they are able to produce another pair of rabbits. And now we have two pairs of rabbits. At the end of the third month, the newly born pair are able to mate, and the original pair produces another pair of rabbits. And now we have a total of 3 pairs. At the end of the fourth month, the newly born pair of rabbits are able to mate, and the pair of rabbits born 2 months ago produces their first pair. And the original pair produces another pair of rabbits. And now we have a total of 5 pairs. And the pattern continues. The number of pairs, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, are the first terms of Fibonacci sequence. Let us discuss how to find the nth term of Fibonacci sequence. What is the 13th term of this Fibonacci sequence? The first 8 terms of Fibonacci sequence are given. We can determine the 13th term if we continue the pattern. The next term, 13 plus 8, is equal to 21. Next, 21 plus 13 is equal to 34. 34 plus 21 is equal to 55. 55 plus 34 is equal to 89. 89 plus 55 is equal to 144. And the 13th term is equal to 144. Another way to solve for the nth term of Fibonacci sequence is by using formula. Since the Fibonacci sequence is strongly related to the golden ratio, we can use Binet's formula. If we are looking for the 13th term, or f sub 12, we can substitute 12 to n in this formula, And we can use calculator to simplify. And we are done discussing Fibonacci sequence. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.